Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is JK. I am from EP in a small village. How are you all guys? I hope you all are doing great and feeling happy today and fantastic and learning something new every day. So guys, if you are new here in this my channel, I have a simple and I have a small request for you. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So this video is very helpful, guys. This video is topic name 10 minutes daily practice and 20 minute daily practice. Yes, you heard it right, guys. You heard it right. So guys, before the starting the video, I have uh, I request, I simple request, I humble request, guys, please one like and subscribe my channel, guys, please, I request you. So guys, today's video going to be very useful and super helpful for beginners and learners. So guys, don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Okay, so guys, many many learners have many many arise question in our mind. So guys, how I learn English, how did I learn English, how to fluent English speaker. So guys, so talk in this video I talk about how how to learn English and how to practice. Okay. So guys, I have already told you I have already told you this topic name is 20 minute 20 or 10 minutes daily practice, keep improving our English learning. Okay. Uh, so guys, if one thing's clear, my English is not a good. I'm still learning. I'm also learning. Okay. So let's continue, because in this video I will do 20 minutes daily English practice. You heard it right. You heard it right, guys. 20 minutes daily practice. You know, it sound a little bit weird. That's true. This practice will help you improve your speaking skill. You just need to listen carefully, repeat after me, that's it. And one more important things, guys, don't worry if you make a mistake a part of learning, mistake a part of English learning journey. So guys, don't worry, mistake a part of learning English journey. Okay. So don't worry too much, guys. While speaking English is not a big deal at all, because I have been always telling you this all along. 20 or 10 minutes daily practice, you can see long you can see long time. Gradually your English improve, gradually English improving. So guys, practice is must. So guys, practice is must. You heard it right. So guys, without practice, nothing comes, nothing's come. So guys, practice is must, very must. Example, listening cartoon video, podcast, English English lecturer, English reading books, many. You can do this today, and start uh, start today. So because making mistake is a part of learning, just take it easy. Just practice every day and you will improve your English. Yes guys, practice every day and you will improve your English. And before we start today's video, I take a moment, like this video, leave a beautiful comment, and don't forget the hype, don't forget the hype video. It's very hot today guys. It's very hot today. Yes guys, you can see properly. before 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 we start today's video, uh, please take a moment to like this video and leave a beautiful comment, and don't forget the hype this video. So guys, I expect this for you. And if you are here, you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now this channel. Okay, now let's begin this video. Before we start, remember one thing, English is a skill. English is a skill, as I told you, and skill with time and practice, and don't need to be perfect from the first day. Okay, as I told you, don't try to before, don't act like a fluent speaker, don't do this. Just need to be a consistent every day. You can see sometimes you will you will you will you will speak gradually English. So guys, practice is must. Practice is must. As you can see, anyone fluent English speaker, uh, one time one time one time one time beginners, but 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 daily practice improve our skill and fluent English speaker. So guys, so today's do this. Listen a lot of listen English video a lot, and listen a cartoon video a lot, and many times. Okay, and English podcast, listen daily and every day, and note down mm, note down difficult word and difficult sentences. Okay, you listen mm, you listen which videos podcast learning English. Okay, so write down. It's a good habit, guys. I'm daily note down difficult word, difficult sentences, and learn them and speak. I'm speak in front of mirror and recording, and front of camera. Okay, I'm daily speaking. And I'm daily practice is must. So guys, have you understood what I'm saying? Okay, practice is must. So today start practice, and keep learning and keep listening daily by daily. And some days, and sometimes some month, you can see improve your English gradually. Okay, so guys, uh, I so guys, that's all for today. Thank you so very much watching this my video. I have a small request, guys. Please support me. I'm not a I'm not a I'm not a big YouTuber. Okay, so guys, you please support me. And I know everything. Many students and many people watching this my video, and many of you don't hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, so I have a small request for you, and I expect this for you. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Okay, So thank you so very much watching this my video, and thank you so very much guys. Please one like. Thank you so very much.